In this video, I show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashing problem on PC. For solving this problem, go to Start bar, then click on Settings, then click on Systems, scroll down, then click on About, scroll down, then click on Advanced System Settings, then click on Settings, then click on Advanced, then click on Change, then remove tickmark from automatically, set, then click on current size, enter recommended size here. You can find it the recommended option, then click on maximum size. How you calculate maximum size? Open calculator and 1024 into current RAM, my case 16 GB RAM, into 16 into 2, and enter this size here. Then click on set, then click on OK, again OK, OK. Now restart your RAM. Now I hope that this method fix Battlefield 6 crashing problem.